Ever felt like the world is sprinting ahead and somehow you're not even on the track? That's not your imagination. It's not anxiety. It's not paranoia. It's the quiet revolution of artificial intelligence. And the most terrifying part is the future won't be fair. It'll be fast. This doesn't affect me. I'm not technical. And by the time they realize it matters, they'll be watching AI-generated influencers dominate their niche. They'll see job listings vanish. They'll see tools replace teams, and they'll ask, when did this happen? It happened while they slept, while they scrolled, while they helped train the very system that would leave them behind. So what now? Do you unplug? Run to the woods? Smash your devices? No, that's not the play. The play is to flip the script, to go from being the product to be the architect. Here's how. Winners will scale with tools. Losers will scroll through them. Creators will become curators. Workers will become widgets. And if you don't own something, you will be owned. Owned by platforms. Owned by systems. Owned by algorithms. Let me give you 3 real traps to avoid. Trap 1. Thinking you're safe because you have a degree. AI doesn't care. It doesn't care where you went to school. It just wants results. It will do your job faster, cheaper, and 24/7 without breaks. Trap 2. Believing AI will only replace manual labor. Wrong. White-collar jobs are under siege. Copywriters, lawyers, coders, analysts, even creators. AI doesn't replace jobs. It replaces tasks. Then it replaces the need for the role. Trap 3. Thinking you're using AI, maybe, but it's also using you. If you're not monetizing what you create with AI, someone else is. If you're not protecting your data, someone else is profiting from it. Now here's the hard truth. You're one of the reasons it's happening so fast. While you're scrolling, liking, clicking, commenting, watching another TikTok or YouTube video, to whom, why? Use tools that respect your privacy. Think before you click. Step 2. Build AI into your systems, not your identity. Yes. Use it to create more, faster, smarter. But don't let it define your value, your voice, your vision, your edge. That's the moat. Step 3. Monetize. Don't mesmerize. Don't just be amazed by AI. Turn it into income. Sell templates, courses, consulting, community. Step 4. Collaborate. Find others navigating this shift. Share knowledge. Build networks. AI rewards ecosystems, not egos. Step 5. Stay human. Empathy, creativity, curiosity. These are your unfair advantages. AI can imitate, but it can't dream. It can predict, but it can't believe. It can analyze, but it can't feel. So don't run from the future. The machine is learning, and not just learning. It's evolving, calculating, and iterating. Every word you type, every face you scan, every voice message you send, every time you skip a video, every job you don't do yourself, you let a tool do for you. You're feeding the beast. Let me be blunt. AI is building a future without you, and you're helping it every single day. Need to talk. There are 3 types of people right now: those in denial, those trying to catch up, and those already cashing in. You know which one wins, right? But the worst position, it's not the one who resists AI. It's the one training it for free, unknowingly. Every time you solve a CAPTCHA, you're proving you're human. And helping the AI figure out what a bus looks like, or a crosswalk, or a blurry traffic light. Every time you click I agree on terms you didn't read, you're handing over your behavior to refine their models. Every time you upload a selfie, facial recognition gets sharper. Every voice message, better speech-to-text. Every long ranty comment on Reddit, better sentiment analysis. You're not just a user anymore. You're a data point, a volunteer worker, a cog in someone else's billion-dollar training engine. Here's the scary part. Most people don't even mind. Because AI is convenient. It saves time. It feels magical. But behind the magic, a quiet trade-off. Efficiency for agency. The more you outsource your thinking, your creativity, your decisions, the less you remain irreplaceable. And here's the irony. You're not just replaceable, you're the blueprint. AI isn't pulling ideas from nowhere. It learns from you. From your emails, your posts, your photos, your code. your designs. It studies you to outscale you. You're not just being automated. You're being archived, replicated then, deleted from the process, unless you change the game. Let's get real about the game. This is not about tools. It's not about ChatGPT versus Claude, Midjourney versus DALL-E, Sora versus Runway. It's about leverage. And if you don't have leverage in the AI economy, you don't have a future. Most people will not escape this. Not because they're dumb, but because they're comfortable. I'll say, I'll learn later. Step 1. Audit your data. What are you giving away every day? Don't fear it. Design it. Because if you don't, someone else will. And they'll build it without you.